Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're focusing on how to make your files read-only or hidden in Windows to enhance your file management and security. First, navigate to the folder where your file is stored. Right-click on the file you want to modify. From the context menu, select Properties. In the Properties window, look for the General section. Check the box next to Read Only. Click OK and Apply to save your changes. This will prevent any modifications to the file. To hide the file, go back to the Properties window. Check the box next to Hidden. This will make the file invisible in standard view. You can also access the File and View tab, then click on Hide Selected Items option for quick hidden. To view hidden files later, and check Hidden Items. Another way to set is using iShare SafeFile Genius. Firstly, download and then launch SafeFile Genius after installed. Click on Read Only and Hidden options in the main interface. Then click the folder icon or file icon to select folder or files. Here listed all files including hidden files with red color markered and read-only files. Then check the files you want to modify. Select Read Only or Hide option. You can also remove read-only and unhide the files directly. Then click on Setting button. Here you've finished modifying properties. And that's it. Now you know how to make your files read-only or hidden. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.